It is nice to feel welcome. Got some RVs out here. There's our vehicles in the distance. Flushing toilets over there. There was a tent over there. And behind those trees is a really cool playground. San John, thank you.
So we're in Texas. There's this 40 frontage road, which they kind of direct you to get off on. Google Maps does. And we are gonna go check out Cadillac Ranch.
So many colors.
These cars have been on fire. You can paint some if you want. Do you wanna? So much paint. It's just melting.
There we go. Nice smiley face.
Done.
Now you gotta name that piece of artwork.
Spot.
There's Ozymandias of the Plains. Well, there it is. Couple of legs.
With spray paint.
Parking isn't awesome. Pretty big dip. Probably wouldn't want to take a RV down here. I wouldn't even turn off the car. I kind of thought it was Robin Williams' RV, but it's an RV from RV the movie. You're in an you're in a movie RV. You know, this isn't half bad. Kind of a galley. Plenty of beds. Where's the bathroom?
This is more movie set.
Actors were here. Woohoo!
Nope. Right here.
The Leaning Tower of Texas.
Very terrifying.
Yep, that's actually kind of cooler than I thought it'd be. Oklahoma City has a pretty sweet river walk. This is pretty. And look at all the bronzes. It's pretty intense. I'm saying pretty a lot today.
That's cool.
Doesn't he look like he's a little too close to the rear end?
Yeah. Oh no, I'd be concerned if I was back there. Someone put a lot of detail on that horse's sphincter too.
What do you think, Ed?
Cool.
Never quite seen statues like this. It's neat. It's just really cool. He's stalking. Hey guys, look, he's gonna go for it.
Oh,
Yeah, he got a little fish.
That was awesome.
The only thing that would make this better would be like a Legoland.
Is this supposed to? Yeah, it is echoing. That's weird. Talking my way out of it. Huh. I still kind of hear myself echoing. Oh my goodness. It's the red button, Mom.
Okay. Alright, it's on now.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah. About 5 years ago, this place would have been like Disneyland to me.
It is enormous. This is a really cool playground. Overwhelming. Whoa. Might see him coming down any time now. Animal Kingdom level playground. look and see.
Very bumpy. My bum is warm.
And look, a bunch of little goldfish and a really big one.
Now you know who's been taking all the corn.
You're really into the corn fed thing, aren't you?
I don't know, there's something in there that just made me laugh.
It's like alien people. Pod people.
From outer space.
Oh wow. This whole park is like A++. I didn't have a very good time driving. But once you get on the 66, it's a lot better. And there's the blue whale. It's a kitschy Route 66 thing.
Sad when you put it that way.
Aww. What's going on?
There was a turtle that was just... Oh, there's another chilling turtle over there.
Aw, turtles. Normally you can swim in this pond, but I guess not these days. I think you used to be able to dive off of it.
I'm on top of the whale.
Good one. What's up there?
Here. Other? Here.
Okay, try again.
You can make it. Here.
Neat.
Quality footage of my fingers. Looks like the inside of a submarine in here. I mean, if I'm honest with you, I don't trust any of this. Alright. I have to let the phone dangle a little bit. Hello there. Oh, crap! The Wiimote strap that Mom always has on her phone snapped.
No, it matched my shark.
It has a hat on it. Yeah, those eyes are extremely bloodshot. He's been having something.
It's like everyone else in Oklahoma.
Wow.
Smell all that weed?
Oh my gosh, yeah. There's more weed markets and churches out here. And a lot of churches.
Also at the Blue Whale of Catoosa is a ramshackle pirate ship and an interesting mushroom garden of junk.
It goes for $3,000.